Depression can feel like a heavy cloud that never lifts, but it's important to know you're not alone. There are natural, holistic ways to support your mind and body that align with your wellness journey. Let's explore the connection between biochemistry and emotional health and how Devine Aurum solutions can help. Our emotions are closely linked to the chemistry of our cells. Depression, for example, can often stem from deficiencies in essential minerals. Did you know that a lack of potassium phosphate in the brain can make us feel mentally fatigued, anxious, or overwhelmed? Or that an imbalance in sodium chloride levels can create a sense of sadness and emotional heaviness? These imbalances disrupt how our body and mind function together. Cell salts like Kali Phos and Natmer help restore these vital mineral levels. Kali Phos supports the nervous system, easing stress and promoting calm. Natmer helps rebalance fluids in the body, gently lifting emotional burdens. They're safe, natural, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. At Devine Aurum, we offer a range of solutions to support mental wellness naturally. Rosehip, cinnamon, and basil body oil is formulated to nourish both the skin and the senses, helping you reconnect with yourself. Dry brushing with bamboo tools can stimulate circulation, release stored tension, and energize your body. These practices, combined with self-reflection and intention setting, create a nurturing foundation for your healing journey. Incorporating small, intentional practices can make a big difference. Pairing cell salts with journaling, aromatherapy, or even a 5-minute mindfulness break can help you feel more centered and in control. Depression isn't something you need to face alone. These tools and practices are here to support you every step of the way. Want more tips on holistic wellness? Visit my website at devineaurum.com to explore my full range of offerings, and don't forget to subscribe here for empowering insights into natural remedies and mental wellness. You can also follow me on Instagram at _definition for inspiration. Let's take this journey to wellness together, one gentle step at a time.